There's one of your spot.
Not anymore, it ain't. You good? Just trying to trout fish a little bit. This is what I kind of figured it would look like.
Oh dang, if we could have gotten over there to that side stream, that would
Yep.
be nice. See Eddie?
No. I would not go down this on a tube.
Yeah, she's rolling.
Yep. She's rolling.
Look at the fungus. Too bad.
Fungi. Try to go down there to that hole down here.
Hopefully it stays a full and not a rampaging river.
Raging river. No, stop it. Oh.
Let's just skate here. I still thought it was cool that I found a geocache and it had a rooster tail in it and caught a trout.
Oh yeah. Ain't caught a trout with it.
Yeah, it would be a nice place to bite. Having trees and stuff hopefully might break it up a little bit.
Yeah.
Water's a strong thing.
Yes, sir, it is.
It's very unpredictable. Man, I love the smell of this food. Don't you? Do you have the camera off?
No, it's on.
Oh, I'm all like rambling on about this.
That's good.
You hippie.
It's on.
You get over here and hug a tree.
Lord. Give me a hug. Now I want to record down here. It's really pretty.
Yeah.
That's why I charged my battery.
I wonder if what he looks like is in that hole up there.
Probably. Do some sightseeing. Yeah, it's a little high. Oh. Going for a stroll in the park. You just want to take the long route. There's police right there. Do they live there, I wonder? That's Harrisonburg, isn't it? Yeah. Must be where he lives. What you doing? Yeah, that's a Harrisonburg City truck. I always forget this is still considered city until you get out to National Forest.
Yeah, it's so weird.
There's this
So technically, all that time I haven't been using my National Forest permit.
Technically,
it's only $4. So.
Oh, it's still fast. Dang.
But it might be a little.
Yeah, it might be a.
It might be able to
like right there. Look, there's that little. Yeah. Dude, look, it's even over that rock that we stood on. Yeah. Holy moly. It's going. Wow. Give her a throw. And you cast it right out in the rapid. Oh my God, really? Hang on. Hang on. Wait a minute, wait. I got it. You're swinging that thing around, it's gonna hit somebody. Okay. You almost have to just let the rapids take it. Wow, it took it all the way down there. Holy crap. The river's moving, people. Yeah, I'll tell you right now, if something like hits this thing, you're gonna have a heck of a time just pulling it out of this water. Trying to get in that hole back there. As soon as that rapid takes it, boy, you can feel it. Goes over there so quick. This is what it looks like when you got a bunch of snow coming down and rain. Really brings that river up. Just really brings it up high. Say hi. I'm getting it over there. And bam, that rapid just takes it like it's nothing. You good? Watch this. I'm trying to throw right over there in that hole. Right about there. And hopefully, they're kind of... See, once that rapid takes it, it's gone. And you have like no control over that. Just kind of hope it doesn't get caught on a big rock down there. See, there it took it. It's gone. It's... Oh, well, I caught a leaf. There you go. Leaf fish. There is it's not getting any action right now. Throw up. It's crazy. Last time we came here, that rock right there, you could actually stand on it. That's how high the water is. It's crazy. Crazy, crazy. All right. There it took it. Don't take no time. Any luck? I've been trying to throw. I'm gonna try one more cast right here. Using a Joe's fly. It's kind of what I like to use when it's faster water. Man, water's so fast. All right, one more. There we go. Let it come across. Let it take. Some are skipping across the rocks. Nothing. What happened?
I just saw a spot on my line look kind of weak, so I had
Oh, little weaky.
I don't know whether or not I just want to.
Try this little rocky spot. See what we get going on. Oh. It's fast, I'll tell you that much. You gotta keep that thing pretty much you gotta kind of do a steady retrieve, because that thing, as fast as the river is, can easily get caught up on a rock. I knew it was gonna be fast. Oh, I don't know if it's gonna be that fast. Caught a tree right there. No luck, no luck.